Hi everyone, welcome back to Soft Asia Tech. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can create a notification bar like this into your WordPress website. I have created it using a free plugin. So to create it, let's begin. First of all, we will log in to the dashboard. After logging in, next we need to install a plugin that helps us to create a notification bar. So I am going to install WP Notification Bar plugin. So I will go to plugins and click on add new plugin. Now here I will search notification bar. Now I will use this WP front notification bar plugin. I will click on install now. Now the plugin is successfully installed. I will click on activate. Now after activation, it took me to the settings page. Now here first of all I have to enable the notification bar. Here you can also choose this preview and debug mode, but I will choose to enable it. Here you have the positions. It provides only two positions, top and bottom, but usually we use this top position, so I will click on it. Also you can choose the fixed position at the top, but I will leave it for now. Scroll down. Here I will select this display close button. I will click on it. Now we will scroll down, and here we have to add the notification. Now here I will add my text. I will type want to contact us. Now scroll down. Here you have play the button. If you want to display it, check it the box here and add the button text. I will add click here, and here you can add the URL. I will add a dummy URL. I will type google.com. Also you can open it in the new tab. Now scroll down. Here you can choose the start and end date if you want to display this notification on a specific time frame. And here you have the say on the pages. So you can choose some of the pages, like if you want to show it only on home page, you can select this one, or only on the landing page, but I will select this all pages. Now scroll down. Here you can also choose for the user roles, but I will select all. I will add this bar color later, but let's see how it behaves on the live site. So first of all I will save the changes and preview on the live site. Now I will visit my site, and here you can see the notification bar appears here, but now here you can see I cannot see this notification close button. So I go back, scroll down. Now here first of all I will change the color of the bar. I will make it black, so the gradient will disappear and only the black bar will appear here. Now I will change the color of the notification bar. This is the background color I think, so I will make it black as well. Here is the border color. I'm not sure about it, but we will test it on live site, and I will make this white, which is the color of the actual close button, the X that appears there. Now we will save the changes and go to live site and refresh the site, and now you can see it appears here. Now if you want to customize or design this notification bar further, like you want to make this X, the close button, bigger, or change its alignment, we cannot do this in this plugin because we have some limitations, because this plugin is absolutely free. So to do this you have to add the CSS. So for this I will hover over here and then right click, and I will inspect it. Now in the inspection, here you can see WP front close button, and here I have all the settings. Now here it appears as a font. Actually it is typed as X, so I will change the font size. I will make it 15. Now you can see it appears bigger. It is bold. I will make it thinner, so I will make it 300. And now I will change its position, so I will make it in the center. So I will add top and right, 15 pixels on top and 15 on the right side. Now I will copy this code. Now here you can see this is the class WP front notification bar. I will copy the class and the code, and I will go back, and here I will add it in the customization. So I will hover over the appearance and go to customization, and I will add it in the themes edit CSS option. Now here you can see the notification bar appears here as well. So I will go to additional CSS at the end, and here I will paste the CSS. Now you can see it appears much bigger. It's not perfectly centered, so I will reduce the top position. I will make it 12, and we have to remove this extra code because it is the default code, so it is already working there. Paddings and the radius. We will use just 4 things: position, top, bottom, and font size. Also we can add font weight, and I will make it 100 so it appears thinner here. Now publish it. Now after publishing, I will go back, close it, and now I will refresh it again. Now you can see it appears in the perfect design that we have added. I will paste this code in the description. You can copy and paste in your website. So that is how you can create a notification bar in WordPress. Hope you learned something new in this tutorial. If so, please like this video and share with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe our channel and also press bell icon to get notified when we upload new videos. Thanks for watching.